Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the top MCQs based on ethics. Let's start. First MCQs. The word ethics stands for A. Substances, B. Properties of chemicals, C. Study of molarity, D. Both A and C, E. Understanding human nature, F. None of these. Correct answer is A. Ethics stands for understanding human nature. Second number MCQs. Name the world's largest retailer. Is A. Procter and Gamble, B. Walmart, C. Lever Brothers, D. Dashang Groups, E. Both A and B, F. None of these. Correct answer is B. Walmart. Third number MCQs. Which country has more collectivistic culture? A. USA, B. Japan, C. Pakistan, D. China, E. Both B and C, F. None of these. Correct answer is B. Japan has collectivist culture. Fourth number, the technique which is used in shadow pricing is A. Accounting, B. Business ethics, C. Management, D. Economics, E. Islamiat, F. None of these. The correct answer is A. Accountings. Fifth number MCQs. The second stage of moral development: A. Principled, B. Conventional, C. Pre-conventional, D. Both A and B, E. None of these. Correct answer is B. That is conventional. Sixth number MCQs. Factor that affects ethical and unethical behavior: A. Ethical dilemma, B. Diversity, C. Teamwork, D. Open communication, E. None of these. Correct answer is A. Ethical dilemma. Seventh number MCQs. The major types of ethical issues include except A. Communication issues, B. Systematic issues, C. Corporate issues, D. Individual issues, E. None of these. Correct answer is A. Communication issues. Viewers, 8th number MCQs is total number of essential components of moral reasoning are A3, B4, C5, D8, E10, F. None of these. And correct answer is B. Total number of essential components of moral reasoning are 4. The capitalist justice stands for A. Benefits should be distributed according to the values of the distribution the individual makes to a society. B. Benefits should be distributed according to the value of the contribution the individual makes to a society. C. Benefits should be distributed according to implied judgment. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. That is, benefits should be distributed according to the value of the contribution the individual makes to a society. 10th number MCQs. The principle of John Rawls assumes that a productive society will incorporate inequalities. A. Principle 1, B. Principle 2, C. Part A of a principle 2, B. Part B of principle, E. None of these. Correct answer is B. Principle 2. 11th number MCQs. The following is an alternative to moral principles: A. Virtue ethics, B. Logic ethics, C. Real ethics, D. A and C, E. None of above. Correct answer is A. Virtue ethics. 12th number MCQs. Total number of stages of moral development proposed by Carl Gilligan are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5, E. None of these. Correct answer is A. The total number of stages of moral development proposed by Carol Gilligan are 2. Next MCQs 13. Who should make the business plan? A. Entrepreneur. B. Consultants. C. Engineers. D. All of above options. E. None of these. Correct answer is A. Entrepreneurs. 14 number. How your statement of mission should describe your company. A. Commitment to quality. C. Service and custom relationship. B. Service and custom relationship. C. Price positioning. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. Number MCQs. Important section of a business plan is the financials. B. The executive summary. C. Management and organization. D. Operations. Correct answer is B. The executive summary. 16 number MCQs. Publishing wrong information in internet is A. An issue of computer ethics. B. An issue of morality. C. An issue of computer equity. D. An issue of the digital divide. E. None of these. Correct answer is A. An issue of computer ethics. What are the steps in the decision making process? A. Orient. B. Act. C. Both A and B. D. None. And E. None of these. Correct answer is C. 18 number MCQs. We use which among the following technique in business, organizations and firms for protecting the IT assets? A. Ethical hacking. B. Unethical hacking. C. Fixing bugs. D. Internal data breach. E. None of these. Correct answer is A. Ethical hacking. But dash is not a type of cybercrime. A. Data theft. B. Installing antivirus for protection. C. Damage to data and system. D. For agree. E. None of these. Correct answer is B. Installing antivirus for protection. 20th number MCQs. One who believes in making decision for the good of much people. He is known as A. Utilitarianism. B. Teleology. C. Deontology. E. Ageism. E. None of these. Correct answer is A. 21 MCQs is appraisal of employee is done for his her A. Performance. B. Successful completion of projects and initiatives. C. Maintenance of good customer relation. D. All of the above. E. None of these. And correct answer is D. All of the above. 22 number. What is the percentage of small businesses that fail within their first 5 years? A. 10. B. 25. C. 50. D. 75. Correct answer is D. What is the percentage of small business that fail within their first 5 years? That is D. 75%.